C and C++ lab programming solutions of BCOM CA second semester, Osmania University curriculum. The question is whether number is even or odd. Let me take a number. Let's printf enter a number, then scanf %d comma address of number. So this is what we had done. So we read a number. Now to check the number is even or not, I have only one condition now. Number %2 double equals to 0. That means number is exactly divisible with 2. I am coming with the conditional operator or ternary operator. Printf given number is even. Otherwise means printf given number is odd. Okay, this is what the program. File save ocprg8.c. The file got saved, then compile. As we see, no errors, no warnings. Then run the program. We need to provide a number 48. The number is even. I will be testing with another number. $75, which is odd. I will check with 0. Zero is also an even number. Okay, that's all in this program. We had used the conditional operator. Expression 1 I had written as number %2 double equals to 0 question mark. Then the true arguments are the second argument. When this condition becomes true, this will be the output. If this condition becomes false, means when the number is not exactly divisible with 2, the number is called odd. I think everyone understood this program. Thank you.